welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys. I've kind of been missing in action. I've been a busy girl. We've only got about 7 more sleeps until we get to Dallas for the DecoArt experience, and I get to wrap my arms around the Massey boys and Jen Christensen from Germany and Nate Bright from Costa Rica and Joanne R. and so many wonderful, wonderful peeps. I can't wait, guys. It's a blast. It's a blast, and I'm beyond excited, but I say that all the time. Well, something kind of not so great happened. A couple of weeks ago, we painted, all of the artists that will be at the DecoArt experience, painted a 20 by 20 canvas for the gala dinner where we raffle off a painting from each of the artists, and I did my painting on a Monday, and it was wonderful and it was lovely. And on Tuesday, unexpectedly, we had to jump in the car from our Asheville home and travel down to Florida for some things that were taking place sooner than later. And so my wet painting went in the back of my Jeep and traveled 14 hours, and it moved. It moved because it was only 24 hours young, and it moved, and I've stared at it now for several weeks and decided that it's not acceptable. So I'm painting a new painting for the gala dinner raffle for the DecoArt experience. So fingers crossed I make something that will put a smile on one of our painting peeps' face. We're working on a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. And I've got some yummy paints from DecoArt, who will also be at our DecoArt experience. And I am so excited to get up close and personal with them and pick their brains. But they've got a new paint line, DecoArt Enchanted. It's an iridescent paint, and as you can tell, you can't see much of anything. This is their green. This is their blue. This is their gold. They also have a white and a blackest black and a violet, but I'm just going to use these 3 colors because I think they're going to play very well together. Now, I find that they do best on a dark base coat. My G-Baby was in town about a month ago, and she always wants to paint with Gigi. So we went down into our little studio, and she wanted to play with these colors, and she wanted to do a yellow background, and I tried to advise her to go with a different color, but she didn't listen. And it was a cute little painting, but the colors did not jump out like they do on a darker background. Our background today, our base coat, is yummy as well. It's Golden Fluids, and it is their Paynes gray. I think it's one of the prettiest blues around. Now I have 2 buckets of it, just in case I need some extra. All of our paints today are mixed with my swiping pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a big healthy squirt of GAC 800. My base coat, as well as my swiping colors, are all mixed with the same pouring medium, and they're all mixed to the same consistency or close. It doesn't have to be spot on, guys, for it to work. A heavier paint, a lighter paint. If you have different densities in your paints, often that will help you to create some cells. We are swiping today with some damp paper towels cut into different sizes, and I'm ready to get started, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Your hands are full of matches, and you just can't seem to let them go. And when the fire catches, you'll be on your Ooh, yeah, yeah. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Should have known better. You should have known better. Should have known better. You should have known better. Dancing round your feet until the beat start again. Oh, and then do it the same. Magnetized, you feel a big appeal, flying high. Oh, just like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Heading for the street into the heat of the night. Yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen